Hello everyone, welcome back to Explainer, and today we're unraveling the mystery behind a term that's become synonymous with shopping madness, Black Friday. Now most of us associate Black Friday with crazy sales, long lines, and unbeatable discounts, but have you ever wondered why it's called Black Friday? Let's embark on the intriguing journey through the history behind this shopping phenomenon. Our journey starts back in the 1960s, in the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, USA. The term Black Friday was initially used by factory managers to describe the day after Thanksgiving, when workers would call in sick to enjoy a 4-day weekend. But how did it transition from a day off to the shopping extravaganza we know today? Well, the story goes that retailers saw an opportunity to turn this into a positive, a day to kick off the holiday shopping season with massive sales. Imagine the streets of Philadelphia buzzing with excitement as stores started offering unprecedented deals, and shoppers flocked to get a head start on their holiday shopping. And so, Black Friday, as we know it, was born. Another fascinating theory behind the name Black Friday revolves around the world of accounting. Traditionally, accountants recorded losses in red ink and profits in black. The idea is that retailers, after operating at a loss for most of the year, would finally turn a profit on the day after Thanksgiving, marking the ink from red to black. So, Black Friday became a day when businesses moved from being in the red to in the black. It symbolized a financial turning point for retailers, making it a crucial and positive day in their books. The term itself took on new meaning, representing not just a shopping spree, but a turning point for businesses. Now, let's talk about the chaos on the streets. The day after Thanksgiving, with everyone rushing to snag the best deals, led to traffic jams and crowded sidewalks. Law enforcement in Philadelphia allegedly coined the term Black Friday to describe the mayhem and congestion that ensued. Imagine the streets filled with eager shoppers, stores packed to the brim, and police officers trying to manage the chaos. Interestingly, they tried to rename it Big Friday to put a more positive spin on it, but the name Black Friday stuck. It's a testament to the frenzy and excitement that became synonymous with this day. While the term originated in Philadelphia, it quickly spread across the United States. As retailers nationwide embraced the concept of Black Friday sales, the term became a household name, representing the unofficial start of the holiday shopping season. Throughout the years, Black Friday evolved from a one-day event to a weekend-long shopping spree, with stores opening earlier and earlier to accommodate the demand for incredible deals. The tradition of waking up at the crack of dawn or even camping outside stores to get the best bargains became a cultural phenomenon. In recent years, Black Friday has evolved into a global shopping phenomenon, transcending borders and becoming a tradition embraced by countries worldwide, regardless of their Thanksgiving celebrations. The fervor for incredible deals on this day has led to the rise of additional shopping holidays like Small Business Saturday, encouraging support for local retailers, and Cyber Monday, promoting online shopping. Moreover, in the spirit of giving, Giving Tuesday has emerged, inspiring charitable donations globally. This internationalization of Black Friday not only showcases its universal appeal, but also reflects a shared enthusiasm for both the thrill of finding the best deals and the spirit of giving back. The allure of unbeatable discounts and limited-time offers has turned Black Friday into a truly international shopping extravaganza. From bustling markets in Asia to crowded malls in Europe, the Black Friday frenzy knows no bounds. It's not just a day for deals, it's a day that connects people worldwide in the pursuit of savings. The globalization of Black Friday highlights the universal appeal of getting a good bargain and the shared excitement of the holiday shopping season. And there you have it, the fascinating history behind why we call it Black Friday. From its humble beginnings in Philadelphia to becoming a global shopping phenomenon, this day has come a long way. Whether you love the thrill of the hunt for the best deals or prefer to avoid the crowds altogether, Black Friday has become an integral part of our holiday traditions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the origins of Black Friday, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to explore next. Until next time, happy shopping and stay curious.